Ramadan is the holiest month in Islam, observed by Muslims worldwide as a time of fasting, prayer and spiritual reflection. It is the 9th month of the Islamic lunar calendar and commemorates the revelation of the Quran to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. During Ramadan, Muslims fast from dawn to sunset, refraining from food, drink and other physical needs, focusing instead on devotion and self-discipline. The fast is broken at sunset with iftar, often starting with dates and water, followed by prayers and a meal with family and friends. Muslims also engage in Taraweeh prayers at night and seek Laylat al-Qadr, the night of decree, which is believed to be more powerful than 1,000 months. Charity is strongly emphasized, with Muslims giving zakat and sadaqah to support the less fortunate. As the month concludes, the joyous festival of Eid al-Fitr is celebrated with prayers, feasts and acts of gratitude. Ramadan is not just about abstaining from food, but about spiritual purification, self-improvement and strengthening one's relationship with Allah, leaving a lasting impact on a believer's character and faith.